Hey guys, are you ready to set sail on a thrilling crypto adventure? Look no further than Floki coin, the digital currency that brings the spirit of the Vikings to the world of blockchain. Inspired by the legendary Floki from the hit series Vikings and Elon Musk's Shiba Inu dog named Floki, this coin is here to revolutionize the way we navigate the crypto seas. Floki coin not only empowers you to control your financial destiny, but also makes a positive impact through charitable contributions. I will tell you everything you need to know about Floki, its features, its price prediction, and why it could be the next big thing in the crypto space. You are watching Crypto University, where you get all the latest content about crypto, NFTs, and the blockchain in a fun way. Make sure to watch the full video and like it if you want to see more of this content. A quick note, we will never ask for your number or personal information, and we will certainly not contact you on WhatsApp, so please be aware of the scams and the spam comments in the comment section. Let's dive into the first project without further delays. What is Floki coin? Floki, initially conceived as a meme coin, inspired by Elon Musk's dog, has undergone a remarkable transformation into a full-fledged Web3 project encompassing decentralized finance, DeFi, non-fungible tokens, NFTs, and the metaverse. Today, it proudly holds the moniker of the people's crypto, symbolizing its evolution beyond its meme origins. The project's native token, Floki, operates on both the Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain BSC blockchains, adhering to the ERC20 and BEP20 standards. This multi-chain capability enables the seamless bridging of Floki tokens between the two blockchains, granting holders the freedom to choose their preferred blockchain for storage and transactions. A journey from meme coin to a thriving Web3 project. Floki's journey exemplifies its transition from a seemingly frivolous meme coin to a robust ecosystem that encompasses diverse sectors within the crypto space. In June 2021, the origins of the Floki Inu coin can be traced back to a tweet by Elon Musk, in which he revealed the name of his Shiba Inu pet would be Floki. Initially starting as a dog-themed meme coin, similar to Dogecoin, it was known as Floki Inu. However, as the project gained traction and expanded its horizons, it underwent a rebranding, emerging as Floki. The current version of the project goes beyond mere meme status, aiming to establish a self-sustaining blockchain ecosystem with a focus on utility. Additionally, Floki is committed to giving back to its ecosystem through charitable initiatives. Notably, it has partnered with the Million Gardens movement, a gardening campaign founded by Kimball Musk, brother of Elon Musk. The creators envision Floki as more than just a meme coin. It is a movement with a grand vision of building schools in underdeveloped nations. In its early stages, the meme coin witnessed a notable surge in price within a matter of months. Initially, Floki was available for minuscule fractions of a cent. However, in September, the value skyrocketed by over 250,000%, propelling the meme coin to unprecedented all-time highs. Floki's uniqueness. Floki Inu, despite being a new crypto project, aims to disrupt Doge and SHIB, striving to become a top 10 player in the market and catalyze the next crypto revolution. It seeks to distance itself from the meme coin label and offer more, including its own marketplace called Floki. With a growing user base of over 230,000 holders, Floki intends to bridge its community with the project's utility. Floki is committed to developing its utility and creating a useful platform while fostering a tight-knit community of token holders who receive rewards for staking. The project is currently focused on three key utilities: an NFT gaming metaverse, an NFT and merchandise marketplace, and an education platform, all aimed at capturing investor interest. Floki's utility. The Floki team is developing a utility for the Floki token within their ecosystem, which includes projects in DeFi, NFTs, and the metaverse. The three pillars of the Floki ecosystem are Valhalla, Flokiplace's NFT and merchandise marketplace, and Floki University crypto education platform. Valhalla is Floki Inu's NFT game, where players can earn Floki tokens and own them. Tokens serve as in-game currency. Expanding into the NFT and merchandise space, Floki Place's NFT and merchandise marketplace allow buying and selling of digital products. Floki Inu aims to position itself as a payment alternative to Bitcoin, Dogecoin, and the US dollar. Floki University crypto education platform provides a metaverse university to educate and raise awareness about crypto. Most courses will be free, but specialty courses may require Floki tokens. Another feature is Flokify, the umbrella term for upcoming DeFi products powered by Floki. The first product, Flokify Locker, provides innovative asset security. Details on another staking-related product are pending. Tokenomics. The total supply of Floki is 10 trillion, and the current circulating supply is 9.9 trillion. The price of Floki as of today is $0.00003198, with a market cap of $326 million. Floki has an encoded 3% tax imposed on buying and selling the token, but not on the transfer between the two chains. This tax is directed to the Floki Inu treasury, which the project claims will be used to develop the ecosystem further and increase the adoption of Floki. Floki Inu Coin Price Prediction 2025. According to our analysis, Floki Inu has the potential to reach new heights in 2025, primarily driven by its listing on popular exchanges. The maximum projected price for Floki is approximately $0.000512, while the average price is expected to hover around $0.000405. The coin has exhibited positive growth during our technical analysis, suggesting the potential for continued growth in 2025. If all goes well, there is a possibility that the Floki Inu coin may shed another zero in its price. However, the minimum anticipated price for Floki crypto in 2025 is estimated to be around $0.000354. Be sure to remember that there are several tokens going by the same name and ticker of Floki. Be sure to verify you're buying the original one. Always use authorized sources such as CoinGecko and CryptoMarketCap to verify you're investing in the right token. So these were the projects that are going to accumulate before the next bull run, which is not so far. Do your research and choose which project you want to invest in. So here was all of it. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. What do you think of today's video? Do leave a comment and like the video. Tell us what you want to learn about next. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and come back for more price prediction videos like this one. Have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video.